Women will hunt you down. If you have not seen my first video on this, I will link it. Go check it out, man. It's a lot of good info on simple blocks that you can remove to get success with women in your life. But in this video, we're gonna go over some advanced methods. A couple things that when I was younger, man, I had all my shit in check. I was on point, but I still had these hang-ups. These were the hurdles that I came to that I had to jump over. So listen up, smash that like button. Here we go. Welcome back. My name is Dre. I help people master their journey. And in this video, you already know, man, how to make them hunt you down. You know it. You read the title. You know what you're getting into. Listen, man, this is a fair warning. This is not for beginners. This isn't shit that, any old dude can just run out into the world and start implementing these and get results. It's not gonna fucking happen. Just like semen retention. You can't just retain and then go out in the real world and get results. It's not like that, man. All right, so like I said, this right here, this is for guys who have their nutrition on point, their fitness on point, their spirituality, they're meditating, they have control of their emotions. Their world is not run by these emotional responses, okay? And they're on their purpose, man. They know what their purpose is, they found their passion in life, and they are freaking conquering. This is exactly where I had hang-ups. I was on point. My shit was in check, man. I could go out in the real world and I could talk to anybody, but there was still these little hang-ups that I was doing that I thought were helping me, but they were actually not at all. They were not at all. And this is what I'm gonna help you with today. Check it out, man. First and foremost, if you go out into the world, your goal is to attract, not repel. You do not want to repel, okay? And I didn't learn about this until I started to really dig into the law of attraction, the law of assumption, how our energy works, chakras, how what we have come into our life is exactly who we are as a person internally. This is why it's so important to do shadow work, man. Remove those blocks, meditate, find out where the blocks are, and fucking handle them. How do you not repel? Well, I found out that fun, man. Fun is the one thing that attracts, we're solely talking about women, but this right here, this also attracts high value men. Okay? Business partners, buddies. I've met some of my best friends by just doing this and exuding that energy of high vibe, man. You want to be high vibe, okay? So in the case of women, man, girls just want to have fun. I mean, to be straight up with you, there's no tricks or gimmicks or none of that shit, man. They're just humans. They're just humans. As easy as you are to understand, females are as well. Don't make it hard, don't make it difficult, don't make it rocket science. Man, girls just want to have fun. When they see you on your vibe, man, you are super high vibe. You're having fun. You're self-amusing. Do you know what this does? This raises your vibe like crazy, man. Like crazy. I don't care if you go out to the grocery store, if you're going to a business meeting, it doesn't matter. Your vibe should be on point. You should be high vibe. Having fun, man. I mean, like being at the grocery store, having fun. You ever see those dudes? They're just walking around, having the time of their life all the time. They're on cloud nine, big smile on their face, twinkle in their eye. That's who you want to be. Don't be walking around like, oh, get some carrots and get some. No, man. Nobody wants to be around that. Nobody wants to be around that. Pro tip, if you're retaining your seed and you are cultivating this energy within, this energy that you're pushing out, that is that attractive biological urge that you're pushing out, is also pushing out low vibration energy that you're containing in your other chakras. Don't ever forget that, man. Don't ever forget that you are what you attract. Period. Period. So what we want to do is handle that and get on a fucking high vibe, man. Self-amusement, dude. Have fun, joke around with everybody. You want nothing from anybody. You joke with people, okay? This is the way to be. Number two that I fucking had so much trouble with, man, because look, I'm a dude. It was so hard for me to just do not do this. Can you guess what it is? Comment down below if you think you know what it is. That's right, you couldn't even stick with me through that little pause. That's how overrun by your emotions you are. High value men are calm. They are centered. You know what else they do not do? They do not check out women. They do not. They do not. They don't go in the world and gawk at girls at all. They pay them no attention. Nothing. You get nothing from me. I am so valuable that if you want in on this jam, you got to meet my expectations. Okay? There is no looking at girls. I don't care how good they look. I don't fucking care if you're at the beach and there's girls in bikinis everywhere. No. I don't care if you have glossy sunglasses on. They can't even see your eyes. I don't fucking care. Don't do it. Don't do it. Now look, the reason for this is, for one, you're showing interest. As soon as you show interest, attraction drops. That's how it is, man. Now, another question you might ask is, well, how do I know that that girls are looking at me? If I'm not looking around at them, how do I know they're looking at me? This is where awareness comes into play. You're meditating, you're on point. Okay? Your emotions aren't controlling you. You're not overrun by these needs and urges and wants and all that shit, man. You are completely open. The blinders are off. You go about your day. Where you place your awareness, you also place your energy. The energy that you carry. If you focus on somebody, you're putting your energy on them. And as well as when people do it to you. Have you ever been standing somewhere, like standing in line or something, and you just felt like somebody was staring at you, and you turned around, and sure enough, there was somebody staring at you, or looking away really quick, because they were placing their energy on you, and you could feel it. You could feel it. It goes both ways, and that's what you need to tap into. Be open when you're out in the world. Be open. Not just with your five senses, with your sixth sense. With the all-knowing sense. Go watch the previous video I made on this. It gives you a clear idea how to put into place blocks that cannot be diminished. Once you get them set in stone, sky's the limit, man. You can fucking conquer. Now, number three. This one, man, I thought I was doing this. I thought that, man, when I went out in the world, I was on point. Always be on point. When you are on point, what does that mean, Dre? What the fuck does that mean? That means you are not carrying baggage. You're not ruffled, okay, about some phone call you had or some message you got, anything. You're not ruffled. You go out into the world with high vibe. Okay? You don't have enough fucking baggage. You handle that. You handle that as it comes every day. You don't let shit just sit and stew in your subconscious. No. We handle that shit. Now look, man, 99% of women, they're not going to come up and talk to you or say, hey, excuse me, I noticed this about you. No, no, no. It's very rare. Very rare. Especially if you exude high vibe. You just got to be perceptive to people coming into your space. And they will. They will just place themselves around you so that you can be the man that takes action. Period. This is where beyond no fat, beyond semen retention, all that shit comes in, man. If you don't know how to take action after the attraction is made, you're fucking screwed. You're screwed. That's not what this channel is all about. That's for, go somewhere else if you need to know that shit. I assume if you're on this channel, you know that shit. You should. That's easy peasy, man. This right here, this is the key to the hurdles that I came to on my journey that kept me stuck for a good year. A good year. Wondering, what the fuck am I doing wrong? What the hell am I doing wrong? Right here. That right there is what I was doing wrong. Once I learned to take these into account, way more shit started happening. Way more women started coming into my presence. Then it's up to you, man. Thank you for watching the video. Go down there and smash that like button if you want more information and step-by-step processes on how to get shit done. Click that buy me a coffee link, man. You can support my channel. You can book a one-on-one coaching call. Make a comment. Subscribe to the channel. See you in the next one, my friend.